Hi guys, I'm Ovi and this is my kitchen. I've got fish potato brunch recipe shared to today, so if you want to know how to cook this, please stick around. A very warm welcome to you, my viewer. Yes, you. Today we're making fish potato brunch and I'm going to dive right into it. So I used red beans. You can see this is the type of beans I use. I got it from the guy that sells vegetables at the market, local market. And I used white potatoes or Irish potatoes. I just bought these, as part of my prep. And then we're going to dash right into the recipe. It's a really short one today. I think I see it's short almost every day. So guys, this is my fish and I just added my spices to it. There's no long talk. I didn't marinate or anything. I just added spices and fried it straight up, okay? Yep, I'm back. So we're going to start this like any regular stir fry or something. I don't know. I'm just frying my spiced fish. I fried for about 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes, and then I added my potatoes that were already boiled. Now I boil my potatoes with skin, just in case you see that, and then it's like really shocking. I don't know. I boil my potatoes with the skin on, and then I added my onions and my veggies. Then I just thickened it at the end. Why am I still showing you guys fried fish at this point? Come on, baby girl, switch. Thank you. Like I said, potatoes. Oh, sorry. Onions first too. Doesn't matter. Okay, yeah. Sizzle your onions first and then your potatoes. Oh my god, like this stuff is so easy. I don't even know what to say because there's no technical thing to dish out, there's no technical information to dish out to you guys. All I can say is I hope you enjoy it because the video will soon come to an end. In goes my vegetables. You can mix anything of your choice, any vegetable of your choice, but I mean these are just the ones I had around, so I played around with them and it came out really nice. I just put this thickener to kind of give it a meal feel, like it was looking like, I don't know what it was looking like. But this came out really nice. I served this on a bed of lettuce and I sprinkled my boiled beans on top. And that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on other social media platforms like ovyskitchen everywhere. And like this video, drop a comment if you need to know something food related. I'm your #1 food blog. See you in my next one. Bye.